Have you ever thought of making chicken curry in an oven? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. With minimum effort, you will be amazed how you can make the most delicious chicken curry in the oven. No browning of onions required, no stirring. All you do is mix some basic ingredients and the oven does the job for you. Hey everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Okay my friends, so all you need to do is to mix everything in a blender. I need a medium-sized onion, garlic. I have taken grated ginger, but you can definitely add them whole. I do not know what made me do that extra step of grating when everything is going into the blender. I had soaked some raw cashew nuts in hot water for about an hour. Drain the water before adding them to the blender. Cashew nuts add up to that richness to the gravy and gives a thickness to it, but you can leave them out if you have any concerns. Then I need tomato paste. And finally plain unflavored yogurt. Remember guys, the yogurt must be plain and unflavored and not vanilla or strawberry flavored. The last thing you want to do is a strawberry flavored chicken curry. We need a fine paste like this. Next comes the chicken. I used bone-in chicken thighs. You can even use drumsticks. Add the paste. Add about a cup of water to the blender jar and save it for later. Next comes the spices. I am a great fan of Kashmiri red chili powder, but you can even use paprika. Then curry powder and garam masala powder, salt and sugar to balance the flavor, some freshly ground black pepper, and finally oil. Please try using bone-in chicken pieces as the bones impart so much flavor to the curry. After mixing everything very well, keep it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. The more it marinates in all that goodness, the better it is going to taste. Remember to take it out from the fridge an hour before you plan to cook. Add the chicken to any baking dish or an oven-safe pan. Then remember that blender jar water I told you to save earlier? That goes in now. Mix with the marinade and pour all that goodness over the chicken. I even like adding some potatoes, as my husband cannot think of a chicken curry without it, but you can definitely leave them out if you wish to. You can even add carrots. Finally, I tucked in 2 large dry bay leaves. Now cover the pan very well with aluminum foil. Then put it in a preheated 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, I know the time is long, but you do not have to do much from here on. After 50 minutes, remove the aluminum foil. Spoon some of that gravy over the chicken and let the oven do its job. In between, just spoon that luscious gravy on top of the chicken pieces. I found the gravy was getting too thick, so I added 1 more cup of hot water. Keep some hot water ready, as you may have to add it, But remember that the water needs to be hot so that you do not disturb the cooking process. Finally, you get this gorgeous looking chicken curry, which seems like you had put in so much hard work to it, but only you know how the magic was done by your oven. You can even add some heavy cream on top, but my family likes it in this way. And when it comes to Bumbi, coriander leaves will have to come to the scene. Enjoy it with rice, roti or naan. And there you go guys, my very best oven-made chicken curry. Bye bye.